This tutorial will discuss SEO and content marketing in detail. First, let's talk about Google and search engines. Google algorithm updates. Google Panda algorithm. Launched in 2011, Google Penguin algorithm came into the market in 2012. Google Pigeon algorithm came to the market in 2014. Google Hummingbird algorithm, released in 2013. Google Payday algorithm, launched in 2013. Google Fred algorithm, 2018 comes to the market. Google Pirate algorithm. This update checks copyright and digital media piracy. Mobile-friendly algorithm. Boosts mobile-friendly websites. Core Web Vital algorithm. Improved page experience, load speed, and mobile friendliness. Caching. When the Google crawler comes to your website, it will take a snapshot of each page. This copy is referred to as the cached version of your site. Google AdSense requirements. 5 pages, 25 to 30 unique articles of 1,200 plus characters. Domain is at least 2 months old. There should be enough traffic. Do not open multiple AdSense accounts on the same device. Do not open multiple accounts with the same information. How does AdSense work? AdSense operates according to the advertiser, creator, and AdSense policy. Main reasons for AdSense policy violations: low-value content, replicated content, deceptive site navigation. Monetizing with Google, Ad Manager, GPay, AdMob, AdSense, Google Play. AdSense, for publishers who have no direct advertising deals, no ad operations team, a standard web format. Ad Manager, publishers who manage direct advertising deals, multiple formats, web, app, video. You can check the GAM implementation of any website by appending $GUGFC on the end of the website URL. Who can create a GAM account? Anyone with an approved AdSense account. Why use Google Ad Manager? Programmatic ad management tool that helps to monetize all of your inventory types. Websites, mobile apps, videos. Manage direct deals from buyers. Gain more complex reports for granular insights. Steps to create a Google Ad Manager account. Create an AdSense account. Wait for approval. Create an Ad Manager account. Google considers 200 plus factors to give a ranking to your website. Mobile-first indexing means Google uses mobile-friendly content for indexing and ranking websites. Google's ranking factors: backlinks, search intent, and content depth. How a search engine works: 1. Crawling. 2. Indexing. 3. Calculating relevancy. 4. Retrieving results. Important places Google crawler will read: title, description, H1 to H6 headings, links, file name, the first line of the paragraph, bold and italics, image alt. Google EAT principle. EAT stands for expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Some of the ways to build quality links are: earn backlinks from relevant and authoritative web pages, promote your content regularly on social media. Blog. Think first before you start. Identify your products or services. Identify your brand value. Judge your target market. How to decide the niche of the blog, your interests, business value, trend, and future of the topic. Content writing. Write content in paragraph. Use easy words. Optimize your images. Write natural and lengthy content. Important for blog posts: titles, headlines, internal links, external links, URL structure, social sharing. Article writing tips: introduction, benefits of keywords, conclusion. Content writing. Start with a problem that your target audience needs to solve. End your conclusion with a question. Article writing tips: summarizing the topic in first paragraph. Article writing tips: build trust with your visitors fast. Provide deep and clear guidance for a beginner-level audience. 5 tips to improve readability. Write in short sentences and short paragraphs. Avoid using big words. Write as you speak. Long-form content ranks quickly. Long-form content provides more value, information, and resources, and creates the chance to rank for an increased amount of keywords. Must-use tools for copywriters: Grammarly, Readable, Hemingway. What is plagiarism? Content scraping, spun content, unintentional plagiarism. User experience: page load time, average session duration, bounce rate, based on cookies. There are 2 types of sitemaps: HTML sitemaps, designed for humans; XML sitemaps, designed for crawlers. Competition/difficulty. The higher the competition, the harder it is to rank number 1 on Google SERP. High search volume and low competition keywords are the ideal combination to prefer. 0 to 29, easy. 30 to 49, medium. Above 50, hard. Keyword relevancy drives quality traffic to your website. Always prefer keywords relevant to your content. LSI stands for latent semantic indexing. They are used to drive relevant traffic and create more visibility on SERPs. Title tags with numbers result in higher CTR. Good example, 5 easy ways to learn digital marketing. Having questions in your meta tags can increase your CTR. Good example, how to rank #1 on Google. Types of keyword research: SEO, keyword research, PPC keyword research, video keyword research, product keyword research, app keyword research, real-time/trending keyword research, competitor keyword research, local keyword research. Keyword research. Find a primary keyword target. Look at related queries on your topic. Assess your chances of ranking in Google. Types of keyword: informational, queries to learn something; transactional, queries to buy something; navigational, queries looking for a certain brand. Focus keyword: in your title tag, in the first 100 words of your page, in your image, alt text, in an H1 tag, in an H2, H3 tag, in the last 100 words of your page. Why SEO is so important: increases traffic, brand awareness, build trust. Building external links, improve the credibility of your website, increase domain authority, gain organic search ranking, increase referral traffic. What makes a link good? Relevance, authoritativeness, anchor text, real attribute, link placement. Creating relevant backlinks, getting relevant backlinks. Off-page SEO techniques for link building: linking site's authority, relevance of the content on the linking page to the linked site, anchor text of the link, a number of links to the linking site. Real equals no follow and social media. Real equals no follow tells search engines, don't follow this link. Ways to avoid duplicate content penalties: using 301 redirects to the original URL. Opt for the preferred domain in the Google Search Console. Optimizing your images for SEO. Name your image files appropriately. Technical on-page SEO optimizations. Use a short and descriptive URL slug. Optimize your images. Optimize for readability. Important elements for keyword research: relevance, long tail, how to write perfect blog posts. Optimize for focused keywords. Use related keyword variation. Add alt text to your images. Blog monetization. What is the scope of content marketing? Interactive content creator, storytelling, video marketing, influencer marketing, content writers/copywriters, script writers, blog content writers, social media content writers. Content marketing strategy: determine the goals, choose content type and formats, plan content distribution, spam words to avoid using, make money, opportunity, guarantee, discount, click here, increase sales, 100% free. What is content? Information, knowledge, experience, creativity. Blog. A blog is a type of website where the content is presented in a reverse chronological order. Content is in the form of blog posts, updated regularly. A blog can be on a website or on any blogging platform. Earlier started as personal, later companies adopted as it drives traffic. Website. Static, dynamic in nature, in the form of web pages, not updated frequently. Content is not updated regularly, hence the informational approach is less. Content creation. Write an engaging introduction. Focus on readability. Ensure your content solves the reason for the searcher's query. Content quality criteria: content clarity, content depth, content usefulness, presentation of the content. Readability. Short, simple, readable words. Short sentences. Write in active voice. Use subheadings. Improve readability. Use headings and subheadings. Avoid walls of text. Add a table of contents. Ensure your fonts are readable. Images. Pick images that support the content. Compress the images before adding to the site. Steer clear of stock photos where possible. Describing the image helps relevance. End content with a question. Questions help engagement. 10 commandments of content outlines. First word count, second tone. Third, introduction framework. Fourth, triggered section. Fifth, solution. Sixth, subtle musketeer intent. 7, business wins. 8, internal links. 9, personalization. 10th, source materials. 2 type of content. Engaging. SEO. Content writing tips. Know your purpose. Keep it simple. Use active voice. Use formatting to your advantage. Use images and media. Use storytelling. Be consistent. Use strong calls to action. Keep it up to date. Use examples and anecdotes. Blogging skills, social media, writing, search engine optimization, web design, marketing, social media marketing. It improves brand awareness, higher conversion rates, improved search engine rankings, social media marketing tools. Promote your content, share on social media. SEO Audit Checklist. How long does SEO take? Crawled, 1 to 2 hours. Indexed, 1 to 2 days. Rank for the brand, 2 to 3 weeks. Rank for low competition phrases, 2 to 3 months. Achieve significant success, according to Google, 4 to 12 months. Rank for high competition phrases, 2 to 3 years. Meta description. Include your target keyword in the beginning. No duplicate meta description should be on different pages. Make it meaningful and relevant to your content. When to apply 301 redirection. Web page/website moved. Domain name changed. Ownership changed. Duplicate page/post. HTTP to HTTPS. When to apply 302 redirection. Pages updating/under maintenance. Unavailable content. How to write a perfect title tag. Search engines display only the first 60 to 70 characters of a page's title in their search results. The best way to include keywords for SEO title optimization is to add them at the beginning of your title. Types of internal links, navigational links, contextual links, image links, footer links. Best practices for external links. Optimize your external links to keep your links relevant. Link to popular sites with similar topics to yours. Avoid link spamming for the best optimization. To decrease the bounce rate from your site, always have external links open in a new tab. Use domain authority to estimate the impact of your external links. How to create an SEO-friendly URL. Include the exact keyword. Use lowercase letters in URLs. More authority, example.com/target keyword. Less authority, example.com/category/subcategory/target keyword. Use hyphens, not underscore. Google has been very clear that their algorithm was written to read hyphens, not underscores. URLs must be readable and static. SEO-friendly URLs. Use lowercase text in the URLs. No special characters. Ignore numeric labels. Include primary keyword. It should be short and precise. URL. Short URLs perform well. Add medium tail keywords in URLs. Dates in the URLs. Hurt your page relevance and ranking performance. Don't do this in URL optimization. Avoid keyword repetition. Don't include special characters. Remove stop words. Avoid using dates. Informational blog posts. Blogging types. Investigating. Transactional. Informative. Navigational. APP formula. Align yourself with the reader's problem. Present your post as the solution to that problem. Proof as to why they should trust you. Focus keywords. In your title tag. In the first 100 words of your page. In your image, alt text. In an H1 tag. In an H2, H3 tag. In the last 100 words of your page. Headlines. Tips. Short and sweet. Use numbers. Try negative words. Match the content. Meta description length. Keep it from 120 to 158 to 160 characters. How to write perfect meta description. Try to use primary information in the first 120 characters. Include your primary keyword and related keywords naturally. How to write perfect headers. Use unique H1 tags using your primary keywords. If you're targeting a question, put the question in the H1 tag. If you're writing a how-to guide, put each step in an H2 tag. Don't do this in header tags. Do not use more than one H1 tag on a page. Don't make your headings too long. Don't use links in heading tags. Advantages of internal linking. Improves page rank, boosts page views, decreases the bounce rate, helps indexing fast. All types of backlinks. Redirect error codes 301, 302, 400-users can't get to the page. 403-users are unauthorized to access the page. 404, the page is not found. 500-internal server error that you'll need to connect with the web development team to determine the cause. Types of keywords. Keyword match type. Suppose our main keyword is learn SEO. Exact match. Keyword, learn SEO. Phrase, match keyword. How to learn SEO. Broad match keyword. Learn practical SEO. Easy, how-tos, tutorials. Hard, affiliate posts, anything commercial. Filter the results. Disavow link. Disavow tool is part of Google Search Console that allows websites to discount the value of an inbound link, helping to prevent against link-based penalties. Create a list of links to disavow. The file name must end in .txt. Maximum URL length is 2048 characters. The maximum file size is 100,000 lines. Standard file formats. Keyword groups. Informational, navigational, commercial investigation, transactional, competitor analysis, basic steps to follow. Identify your top 10 competitors, commonly using robots meta tag, index, The search engine crawler will index the whole web page. No index. The search engine crawler will not index that web page. Follow. The search engine crawler will follow all the links in that web page. No follow. The search engine crawler will not follow the page and any links in that web page. 301. Redirect. The 301 status code means that a page has permanently moved to a new location. 301 redirect passes all ranking power from the old URL to the new URL. 302 redirect. 302 redirect is a temporary redirect. This is useful for SEO purposes when you have a temporary landing page and plan to switch back to your main landing page at a later date. 404 redirect. A 404 error is a code that indicates a requested page cannot be found. Google doesn't index pages that return a 404 status. Do follow. Do follow links allow search engine crawlers to follow the link for a good boost over SERP and pass the link juice to the destination domain. No follow. The no follow link doesn't allow search engine crawlers to follow the link. Also, it doesn't pass on the link juice. Status code 120, informational 420, client error 100, everything so far is okay 401, unauthorized 403, forbidden 200, okay 404, not found 320, redirection 500, server error 501, no implemented 300, multiple choices. On-page SEO, user experience, CTR optimization, page loading speed, content depth, engagement rate, important on-page SEO factors, title tag, meta description, header tags, keyword and URL, image optimization, content optimization, keyword-rich content, optimized URLs. On-page SEO. On-page SEO, keyword and title, keyword and H2, keyword and meta description, high-quality content, user engagement, on-page SEO activities, checklist. On-page audit, duplicate content, sitemap, robots.txt, broken links. Important points in image SEO. Name your images descriptively and in plain language. Reduce the file size of your images. Choose the right file type. Top ranking factors, link factors, performance factors, behavioral, user, factors, engagement metrics. Some of the engagement metrics are bounce rate, average session duration, pages per visit. Off-page, link building, quality of backlinks, high DA, PA, low spam score, goal, get links, off-page SEO checklist. How to find guest post sites. There are many sites open for guest posts. Search on Google in this way. Building backlinks to your website can help you improve the credibility of your website, increase domain authority, gain organic search ranking, increase referral traffic, content, identify target keywords, write your headline in an H1 tag, write a meta description that boosts clicks, check the URL slug for SEO, friendliness, add target keywords to your body content, improve navigation with internal links, off-page. The main components involved in off-page optimization are acquiring backlinks, leveraging social interaction with your site, promote your content via social channels. Bonus, start on your technical SEO. Make sure your page is indexed. Increase page speed. Make sure your page is mobile friendly. Technical SEO. Technical SEO includes crawling, indexing, rendering, and website architecture. Technical SEO, site structure, mobile friendliness, no index tags. Optimize your 404 pages, add SSL certificate, web page speed/load time. Technical SEO, crawl issue, security issues, page speed related issues, website structure, device friendly, no missing meta descriptions, optimized images, site speed and Google's core web vitals. Technical SEO. Technical SEO. Choose the right hosting options. Enable browser caching. Apply content delivery network. Enable lazy load. Regular monitoring of website speed. Technical SEO. Sitemap. HTML. Canonical tag. W3C validation. Open graph tag. Structured data. Factors related to technical SEO. Use a simple website design. Optimize images. Improve server response time. Optimize your code. Reduce redirects. Enable browser caching. Ensure your pages don't load slowly. Cache your website's content. Compress your images. What is HTTPS and HTTP? HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. How does robots.txt work? User agent. All search engines identify themselves as user agent. You can use an asterisk for all crawlers or specify the name of a crawler. Examples: user agent, asterisk, includes all crawlers, user agent, Googlebot, instructions for Googlebot. Disallow. The disallow directive instructs a user agent not to crawl a URL or part of a website. Examples: disallow/wp-admin. Allow. You can use the allow to access a specific subfolder on your website, even though the parent directory is disallowed. Examples: user agent *disallow/image.allow/image/SEO. Crawl delay. You can specify a crawl delay value to force search engine crawlers to wait for a specific amount of time before crawling to the next page from the website. You can use this when your website is running on a poor hosting environment. The value you enter is in milliseconds. Examples: user agent *crawl delay 10. Sitemap. All major search engines support the sitemap directive. If you submit your XML sitemap in Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools, there are more search engines out. Examples: user agent, disallow, sitemap, https://drexample.com/sitemap.xml. How to fix broken links. Redirect the link. Update the link. Remove the link. How to make a website super fast. Use AMP frameworks. Use CDN. Cache your web pages. Use a Lightspace WordPress theme. Optimize images. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Reduce redirects. Improve server hosting. Be careful with subdomains. Optimized. https://example.com/topic. Not optimized. http://topic.example.com. Technical SEO tools help search engine bots to crawl and index your website more effectively. Basic setup. Reasons for slow loading pages: slow connectivity, caching, page size. Switch DNS providers to Cloudflare's free DNS service. Increase web page speed. Use a simple website design. Optimize images. Improve server response time. Optimize your code. Reduce redirects. Enable browser caching. Spam score. Reducing the spam score of a website involves several strategies. Regularly monitor and disavow spammy backlinks. Create high-quality, original content. Engage in ethical SEO practices. Moderate user-generated content to prevent spam submissions. Implement CAPTCHA and anti-spam measures. A website's spam score can increase for a number of reasons. Low-quality backlinks. A website with many backlinks from low-quality or spammy sources may have a high spam score. Overuse of keywords. If a website uses keywords excessively or in unusual ways, search engines may view it as spammy. Duplicate content. If a website has a lot of duplicate content, search engines may view it as spammy. Malware or viruses. If a website has malware or viruses, it can increase its spam score. User-generated spam. If a website allows users to post comments, it can increase its spam score. Slow-loading website. A slow-loading website is seen as low quality and spammy. Low site link diversity. If your website is getting spam warnings due to low site link diversity, it means that most of the links are coming from the same domain. Low domain reputation. Low domain reputation is indicative of spam. Here are some ways to reduce your website's spam score. Improve page loading speed. Use quality content. Amazon affiliate. Don't buy from your link. Don't send direct affiliate links. Always send traffic on the landing page or blog. Don't copy Amazon images. Don't show the price of the product if you are not using it. Minimum 3 sales within 6 months. Disclose your Amazon affiliate. Don't use shortener for affiliate link. Don't use the Amazon logo on the button. Don't play with Amazon trademark. Don't create multiple Amazon affiliate account. Affiliate site. Types of affiliate keywords. General comparisons. Branded comparisons. Detailed product reviews. Types of affiliate programs: PPC, pay-per-click model; PPL, pay-per-lead; PPS, pay-per-sale; sidewide commissions; one-time commissions; recurring commissions. ChatGPT. Get business ideas from ChatGPT. Build software. Boost your affiliate marketing with ChatGPT's email expertise. Leverage ChatGPT for blogging success. ChatGPT. Prompt engineering. Write, refine, and optimize prompts. Perfect the interaction between humans and AI. ChatGPT. YouTube. Cut to a new shot every 1.7 seconds. Have about 19 shots in the first 30 seconds. 1 in 5 shots was a talking head shot. Limit talking head shots to less than 20%. Change the visuals every 10 seconds. Thumbnail. Curiosity. Clarity. Complement. Basic thumbnail rules. Clear, quick to understand. Spark curiosity. The reason why the video went viral. Video publish. Allow at least 2 hours to upload and publish your video. Make your videos public 2/3 of an hour before your daily peak in views. Most CPM niches. Most popular. Most profitable. Thumbnail types: simple, Big numbers, shocking, question, social hacking, size difference, YouTube SEO checklist. Include the target keyword in the file name. Include the target keyword in the title. Add related tags to your video. Add your video category. Upload a custom video thumbnail. Add hashtags to your video. Create a playlist about your overarching topic. YouTube SEO. Keep your titles within 100 characters. Prefer using target keyword at the beginning of your description, titles, and tags. Use accurate and relevant video tags. YouTube SEO tips. YouTube Keyword Research, YouTube Autocomplete, Ahrefs Keyword Explorer for keyword research, Canva for thumbnail creation, HubSpot for content strategy, vidIQ Vision for data mining, TubeBuddy for productivity, Sife for analytics. Optimize your YouTube videos. The title you choose should have a high search volume and low difficulty. Your description should be highly relevant to your chosen title. Use accurate and relevant video tags. Your title tag length should not exceed 100 characters. Upload a captivating thumbnail. Use relevant hashtags. Promote your videos on different social media platforms. Create a high-performing video. YouTube SEO tips. Guide to promoting a YouTube channel. 5 ways to get more subscribers on YouTube. How to increase views on YouTube. 8 best tips for YouTube SEO. Conduct keyword research first. Choose keywords with good reach potential. Use a good video title. Add tags to the video. Write smart descriptions. Edit the file name. Create transcriptions and captions for videos. Make long videos. YouTube SEO tips. High-quality videos. Publish longer videos. Upload high-resolution videos. Create a content that fulfills viewers' requirements. Use examples to clarify your content. Prefer to give more information to your audience. Avoid distractions from your video. Add resources from well-known sites to your video. Tips to improve user engagement. According to Backlink. Engage your viewers with relevant content. Ensure to give maximum information to your audience. Be clear and use more examples in your content. Include sources from high-quality sites. Add visuals to your content and make it appealing. Use simple language and crisp sentences. Description. Repetition of keywords. 5,000 characters. Describe the video. Add social media handles. Affiliate marketing links. Timestamps. Hashtags. Types of cyber attacks: malware, man-in-the-middle, phishing, password attacks, drive-by downloads, maladvertising, DDoS, rogue software, malware attacks, email attachments, software downloads, OS vulnerabilities. Different sources of malware, malicious advertisements, email attachments, removable media, pop-ups, network connections, documents and executable files, internet downloads. Stop malware attacks, suspicious links. Stop clicking suspicious links. Always study the URL consciously and make sure you are not on a counterfeit site. Updated firewall. Updating your firewall constantly is a great idea. Firewalls prevent the transfer of large data files over the network in the hope to weed out attachments that may contain malware. Updated OS. It's also important to make sure your computer's operating system, e.g. Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, uses the most up-to-date security updates. Software programmers update programs frequently to address any holes or weak points. Types of password attacks: brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, keylogger attacks, stop password attacks, update password, no dictionary, use alphanumeric. Prevention, ad blocker, regular software updates, common sense, updated firewall, use efficient antivirus, general distrust. What is a DDoS attack? Distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks. Sending multiple requests from to a web resource or machine. Saturates the server capability of managing requests. Attack is mostly carried out using a botnet of multiple devices. How does DDoS attack work? A hacker must create a network of zombie bots that can be used to attack the targeted victim when called upon, using malware infusion. What is a brute force attack? Generating multiple combinations of alphanumeric strings. Can be used to guess passwords, keys, or user credentials. Has no length constraint or character barriers, different from a dictionary attack without a word list. Effects of brute force attack. Precautions against brute force attack. Complex alphanumeric passwords, using two-factor authentication 2FA, CAPTCHA during login action, limited number of login attempts. What is password cracking? Techniques of password cracking. Phishing. A phishing email directs the unwary reader to a counterfeit login page linked with whatever service the hacker wants to access, which later steals the credentials. Dictionary attack. Password dictionaries cover many themes and mixtures of topics, such as politics, movies, and music groups. The user's failure to create a strong password is why this approach efficiently cracks passwords. Brute force. The attacker attempts multiple password combinations until the correct one is identified using automated processes and running exhaustive password combinations. Protection against hackers. Longer passwords are much more resistant to brute force methods. Avoid using personal details like age and name to create passwords. Use different passwords for different accounts. Switch to using passphrases instead of passwords. Make sure accounts are protected with two-factor authentication 2FA, key tools of network security, firewall, intrusion prevention, VPN, behavior analytics. Ethernet versus Internet. Ethernet. Ethernet connections are secure from external interference and provide data security. Internet is an open-type connection, so it is more prone to hacking attempts and less secure network. Programming languages for cybersecurity. Ethical hacker skills, operating system, networking, programming. Ethical hacker technical skills needed. Common ports and protocols. If the video is helpful, please leave a like. Thanks for staying until the end.